So my topic is a virtualization-based approach to protect the cloud application. So first of all, nowadays cloud application have been used by the many marketplace, by many companies. Earlier, the use of the cloud services were very less as compared to now. So for this algorithm, we have used an system algorithm known as application algorithm. In this algorithm, basically it was not providing so much confidentiality into end. It was just providing end-to-end encryption. So basically there was a chance that the message will be retrieved by the third party. To overcome from that, we have developed a proposed system known as cafe algorithm. In this cafe algorithm, it provides end-to-end encryption confidentiality, whereas it provides that no third party can be accessing the data. So our requirement for this is the hardware requirement will be basically everyone can be using with 512 MB RAM and hard disk with 40 GB, whereas the software requirement for this is the JSP Java Servlet, and server will be Tomcat server, and platform will be Eclipse, and the operating system will be the backend will be the MySQL team. So basically, this is the architecture of our project. Here the cloud provider, here the cloud provider will be provided with the login page. After the cloud provider goes to the login page, the home page will be coming. So in the home page there are the various options for the user, for the cloud provider. First will be the developer request, cloud user request, application accept, purchase detail from the C user. All this will be provided by the admin known as the cloud provider. Whereas for the user, it will be the login page. The server will be finding the data from the database. Whereas user homepage will be there if the data is corrected. The user homepage will be open, else error message will be opening. So modules we have used are the user interface design, cloud provider, VM image server, developer, user. So these are the UML diagram. We are basically in this the cloud provider, VM server, developer, user are the agent for that. They all will be sending the data to the database, and the cloud provider has the functionality of the login, whereas the register and developer and user request, whereas VM image server will be having of the two type. First will be the binary public details, second will be the secret key details, which developer will be getting an extra option of adding the VS image server, which will be encrypting the message in the form of the image. So our conclusion will be it should reach to every people in order to preserve the privacy and the reverse engineering. Cafe provides the distribution and education events. Entire host can be provided, whereas basically now it has been providing in the 9 application which is used in the cafe. So further enhancement will be currently it does not support on the rich OS. We are doing work so that it reach to the further OS. So I would be saying thank you to all.